Next is mesocompounds. Mesocompounds are those compounds which are optically inactive in spite of the presence of an asymmetric carbon atom. The molecule of a mesocompound usually contain a plane of symmetry and thus lacks chirality. Due to the plane of symmetry, the upper half of the molecule, that means the minimum 2 carbon atoms must be there. The upper carbon atom of the molecule can be superimposed on the lower half of the molecule. Once it is superimposed, it loses its chirality and becomes not at all optically active. Therefore, the rotation caused by the upper half of the molecule is equal but opposite to that caused by the lower half of the molecule, and the net rotation is zero. This phenomenon is known as internal compensation. That means in a molecule, 2 carbon atom, one rotates towards the right, the other rotates towards the left. The net rotation 0. In your syllabus, you have to study 2 examples: lactic acid having 1 asymmetric carbon atom and tartaric acid containing 2 asymmetric carbon atom. Let us take lactic acid first. It is a alpha hydroxy propionic acid with the formula CH3CHOH COH. It contains one chiral center, that is asymmetric carbon atom. That means this is the asymmetric carbon atom of lactic acid. If you put a mirror image like this is the mirror image and it is not superimposable. And this rotates towards the right, therefore D lactic acid. This is rotate towards the left, therefore L lactic acid. Racemic lactic acid can be obtained by mixing equimolar quantities of D and L form. All the 3 forms of lactic acid possess same density 1.248 and similar melting point 299 Kelvin. The specific rotation at 25 degrees centigrade are plus 2.24, that is D, minus 2.24, that is L, and 0, that is racemic respectively. Next example, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is a dihydroxysuccinic acid having the formula CHOH-COH, CHOH-COH. Both are connected. These 2 carbon atom possessing 2 asymmetric carbon atom. Both are asymmetric in nature. Look at these structures. This structure rotates the plane polarized light towards the right. Therefore, it is D-tartaric acid. This rotates towards the left, therefore L. This one half will rotate towards the right and half will rotate towards the left, therefore the net rotation 0. Structure 1 will rotate the plane of polarized light in clockwise direction, therefore it will represent D-tartaric acid. Structure 2 will rotate the plane polarized light in the anti-clockwise direction and it will represent L-tartaric acid. Structure 3 contains a plane of symmetry and lacks chirality. This represents optically inactive mesoform. That means because of the structure of the molecule, the top part rotates towards right, the bottom part towards the left. Therefore, in this form, the rotation caused by the upper half of the molecule is exactly balanced by that caused by the lower half of the molecule. This phenomenon is known as internal compensation. The racemic form DL of tartaric acid can be obtained by mixing equimolar quantities of D and L form. Thus, we have the following 4 types of tartaric acid. 1. D-tartaric acid. 2. L-tartaric acid. 3. Mesotartaric acid. 4. Racemic tartaric acid.